Looking for a near-new wheelchair-accessible van with luxury, space, and modern comfort? This is a 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Limited, equipped with a Freedom Motors rear-entry manual fold-out ramp conversion. With only 20,400 miles, this Pacifica Limited offers the comfort and technology you'd expect from a premium modern minivan, while adding the accessibility needed for wheelchair users, families, and caregivers. This Pacifica also features a sleek gray exterior paired with a premium black leather interior, giving it a clean, upscale look inside and out. One of the standout features is the moonroof, which brings in natural light and gives the cabin an open, comfortable feel for every passenger. Powered by Chrysler's smooth 3.6-liter V6 engine, this Pacifica delivers dependable performance, a refined ride, and the modern driving experience Chrysler is known for. What we really like about this van is the combination of luxury and accessibility. The rear entry layout makes loading simple, the extra wide ramp gives you more usable space, and the Pacifica Limited trim adds the comfort and style that makes every drive feel premium. So if you're looking for a low-mileage, wheelchair-accessible van with modern features, a spacious rear-entry conversion, and a luxury feel, this 2023 Chrysler Pacifica Limited is an excellent choice. Call Automobility store today or visit us online to learn more about this wheelchair-accessible van. Automobility store, helping you find the right mobility solution for your life.